Hey everyone, welcome back to day 2 of our 7-day English speaking challenge. First of all, I'm genuinely happy you're here again. If you showed up today, that already tells me something important. You're serious about improving your English. Yesterday we focused on introductions and honestly, I saw some fantastic effort from you. Keep practicing those, because introductions are the gateway to every conversation you'll ever have in English. Today, we're leveling up. Today's focus is everyday conversations, the kind of English you actually use in real life. Not textbook English, not exam English, real-world English. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident speaking English at a coffee shop, a grocery store, or even with colleagues at work. Busts in silhouette. Why everyday conversations matter. A lot of English learners spend years memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary lists. And yes, those are important. But let me tell you something. After 15 years of teaching and creating content, fluency doesn't come from knowing English. It comes from using English. Most daily conversations are short, simple, practical, yet they build confidence faster than anything else. Think about it. Ordering a coffee, asking for help in a store, greeting a colleague. If you can handle these moments, English stops feeling scary and starts feeling natural. How to approach everyday conversations. Here's the mindset shift you need. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. Today, we'll practice 3 common situations: ordering food or drinks, shopping conversations, small talk with people around you. Let's start with the most common one. Situation 1, ordering food or drinks. Imagine you're in a cafe. Here's a natural, real-life conversation. Customer: Hi, I'd like to order a coffee, please. Server: Sure. What kind of coffee would you like? Customer: I'll have a latte, please. Server: Would you like it hot or iced? Customer: Hot, please. And can I also get a croissant? Server: Of course. Anything else? Customer: No, that's all. Thank you. Notice something important. Short sentences. Polite words like please and thank you. No complicated grammar. That's all you need. Situation 2, shopping conversations. Now imagine you're in a store and need help. Here's how you can start. Customer: Excuse me, can you help me find the bread aisle? Store assistant: Sure, it's in aisle 5 just over there. Customer: Thank you. You can also ask questions like, is this gluten-free? Do you have a larger size? Is this on sale? These are power sentences, simple, useful, and confidence-boosting. Situation 3, small talk with colleagues or strangers. Small talk scares many learners, but it doesn't have to. You're not giving a speech. You're just being friendly. Example at work. Colleague: Good morning. How's it going? You: Hey, I'm good, thanks. How about you? Colleague: Doing well. Busy day ahead? You: Yeah, a few meetings today. What about you? That's it. Small talk is about showing interest, being polite, keeping things light. Whether work, weekends, simple topics are perfect. Day 2 challenge. Very important. Here's what I want you to do today. Step 1. Create 3 short dialogues. 1 for ordering food. 1 for shopping. 1 for small talk. Step 2. Record yourself speaking them out loud. Focus on pronunciation, pace, confidence. Step 3. Share your dialogue or experience in the comments. We learn faster together. Before you go, this matters. Let me remind you of something crucial. Learning English is not about memorizing words. It's about confidence, patience, resilience. Some days you'll feel fluent. Some days you'll struggle. That's normal. Every mistake you make is proof you're learning. If people understand you, you've succeeded. Perfection is not the goal. Communication is. Even native speakers pause, forget words, make mistakes. So be kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins, ordering confidently, understanding a sentence, speaking without fear. Fluency is built brick by brick. And every day you show up, you're building something powerful. Final words. I'm proud of you for committing to this challenge. You're not just learning English. You're becoming more confident every day. Drop your thoughts, struggles, or wins in the comments. We're in this together. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3, where we'll push your conversations even further. Until then, keep practicing, stay positive, and remember you've got this.